So what you can do is before you add in video clips in expert mode in the timeline, you can select in and out points prior. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on to add media and go to files and folders right here. And let's say I'm going to go around and bring in this footage right here and click on open right here, just like this. So you can see that I have this working footage, and let's say I just want a certain portion of this video clip right here. That means I want to set an in and out point before dragging it onto the timeline. So I'm just going to go around and double click right here, and you can see that this is the preview window that I see right here, where you can go around and play out the clip right here. You can go around and utilize the timeline cursor right here and utilize this to set an in point right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So let's say this is the starting point. Then you can go around over here and press O on your keyboard as well. So yeah, I for in point right here, so you can press I for in point and O for out point as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and if I were to go around and click and drag this onto my timeline right here, then whatever in point and out point I selected right here, that actually pops up right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and select out in and out point before you add it onto the timeline. And once you add it in, only the selected clip gets added in, as you can see, inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.